Okay guys, this is a 2017 Toyota 4Runner SR5, clean title. They have sprayed a rhino lining on this. Got good tires, the TRD Wheels. Rack on the top, tinted windows. It's got 2 sets of keys. $111,000 miles, almost 112,000. Steering wheel controls, cruise. Backup camera, all your 4-wheel drive options, 8-track downhill descent here, power mirrors, locks and windows, power seats here. VIN number. This is a 3rd row SR5. Tow package. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.